Dr. Wilson?
Well, look, the mayor said she got a program going on the 27th. Well, she gonna be gone by the 28th. Ain't no good, right?
Tons to go crypto investing and take a quick look at what's been going on in the XRP price. And there's been a lot of price movement up and down, but in the grand scheme of things, there hasn't been a whole lot going on, as we're still within this symmetrical triangle, a neutral continuation pattern after a big flush way back here in May, in April, into June, right, of 2022. Then we went into this long symmetrical triangle consolidation, upper resistance, descending, lower support, ascending, right? And that's what we've had. And just over the last few, you can see on the way up, the various levels of support. Support once, uptrending, support twice, uptrending around 34 cents, 35, support again, uptrending about a little bit higher, uptrend support, but you do get a wick below and then a huge wick below, and every time they get supported on the bottom of the red trading zone, which we know is the VP volume indicator, VIX profile, and that's the mean of the trading. So when it comes from above, it lacks as support, a bounce, support, a bounce, support, and then a wick bounce, support. But recently, we've gone into the black page right there, black page of mystery. Well, all we've done recently is the last time we really talked, because there's been a lot of weather stuff going out, and I do a lot of that. We got rejected up here like we called, and we came all the way back down to lower support right here, and then we got another bounce back, and now we're just sitting and straddling on that 37 cents. That's been a regular mean area of the trading ever since we've been in this symmetrical triangle for a better part of a year now, right? And we're almost coming to the apex where this thing is going to be forced to go up, and if it goes up, it could rocket all the way up to 50 cents, or if it breaks down, it's going to initially come all the way down to 29 cents, but it would have a big breakdown, and this would be really the start of some capitulation. And if you broke down, I think you're coming down into that 18 to 20 cent range, right, that we've had for quite some time. And a technical target on that is actually down here at 15 and a quarter cents. And we still have this because old Vincenzo doesn't hide from a past prediction. Even when they don't mature, I thought this would hit it by the end of 2022, and that was made in 2021. You can see last year we got down to 28 cents. So we started that prediction in 2021 when XRP was at the way left machine, when XRP was way back here, right, sitting up at about $1.35 to $1.45. We made that prediction for the next year, and that would have been a decline of, at minimum, a 85% flush, and we came down better than 79.96% from the time we made that call. When every other YouTube station in the fleece heisting and shysting world, I'm on Crypto Carl from the Moon, Crypto Crow, and that big Lemix charlatan, fleece heisting and shysting. His audience told you this fucking thing, along with everything else, was going to be way up there by now. But old Vincenzo told you the great reversal was coming, and we indeed did go down 79.69%. And it was the industry exclusive call at the time. Nobody thought it could happen, and it did. The Bitcoin price now, on the other hand, you could see it snaked out at about where we thought it would after it broke above this critical support and resistance. We had that 24,000 and change for quite some time, ever since we were trying to figure out if we were going to have a blow up or a blow down. And we put this up here, and it finally hit it, and now it's just trading sideways. And when it came down to the moving average at first, this is a classic bounce bear market rally. You come down, then you have a big pump, and then you start to come down again. It's just instead of it being a flush mountain double top or an up-topping reversal pattern, it's just got a slightly higher second high, but it's the same type of thing. And I think this is showing you this pattern is reversing as the volume continues to decline, even after this nice pump over the last 3 to 4 weeks. And I think your next major move, like the last video that I told you when the price was back in here, we're coming down to 19,049 and change, and then we would most likely retest, because this chart looks horrible, retest to 15,375 as time goes on, because Bitcoin's got a long way to go down, and Bitcoin will continue to go down. Could you have one big pump up on a ever orgasmic effect fair market rally to $29,000? That is still a chance, and we're still keeping an eye on that. And you cannot take that off the table at this point in time, because there's just not enough data. As some signals are saying we have to come up there and then have the huge rollover, right? The big. But also other signals are saying we don't have to go up there. So it's like a mixed bag. But that's why we're going to continue to watch this in the foreseeable future. We'll have some more updates coming on. Like, subscribe if you're